Hello people, so this particular video I want to just specifically thank this gentleman by name Mr. Santosh, who was so kind to write in the comment section. He literally wrote like almost a 3 paragraph sort of a like explaining that he's been watching my videos and he finds them nice. And so thank you Mr. Santosh, in case you're watching this. It really made my day, that one cute little comment. So I mean, he was speaking of the fact that probably my videos could be longer and all of that. So it just felt so special, yeah, that there is someone out there who's actually watching my videos. And I have to say this now. I've started this latest thing that I do, that I travel by the metro to work. So now anybody I see randomly who's like holding their phone, I go up to them and I say, I have this channel on YouTube. You should subscribe. And until they open the, tab on YouTube, and they see my thing. Till then, I don't leave them in peace. I catch them and I make sure they subscribe. So like that, I've got like 4 or 5 new subscribers. I mean, and earlier I used to get scared of too many people subscribing, and I won't be speaking sense, but it's important, right, to just take that step forward. And soon I'll start doing my recordings in the train itself, and in while I'm walking on the road and whatever. Yeah, like, it's one life we get to lead, right? So you should just do it in the way you think is the best thing. So on that note, thanks for watching people, and please subscribe.